cardboard, a cape stitched from old curtains, and a backpack full of glitter. Every day after school, she explored her backyard, hoping to find something magical. One sunny afternoon, Luna spotted something strange behind the apple tree. A shimmering ladder made of silver vines reaching up into the sky. Without hesitation, she climbed. Up and up she went. Past birds, past clouds, even past a drifting hot air balloon. At the top, she found herself in a floating garden made entirely of clouds. Fluffy bushes, cotton candy trees, and puddles of rainbow light surrounded her. "Welcome," said a puffy creature with button eyes and a jelly bean smile. "I'm Nimbus, the cloud gardener." Luna gasped. "This is amazing! Can I help?" Nimbus nodded. "We grow rainbow flowers here. Lately, your wind spirit Zephyr has been blowing them away before they bloom." Luna rolled up her sleeves. "Let's fix this." She learned to plant seeds made of laughter, water them with giggles, and sing songs to help them grow. The flowers bloomed in dazzling colors, red that smelled like strawberries, blue that hummed lullabies, and green that sparkled like emeralds. But one evening, Zephyr arrived. He was a swirl of wind with glowing eyes and a mischievous grin. "I want the garden for myself," he howled. Luna stood firm. "You can't take it!" "But you can help us," Zephyr paused. "Help?" "Yes," Luna said. "You can blow the seeds to new places so more gardens can grow." Zephyr thought for a moment. "I've never been asked to help before." From that day on, Zephyr became the garden's delivery wind. Luna and Nimbus planted more flowers. Good job! Amazing! A is for apple. Well done! Fantastic! Great! B is for ball. C. C is for cat. Wow! Who's ready to pop them with me? D. Duck, duck, good job! Amazing! D is for dog. Well done! Amazing! E is for egg.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted
Good
blue.
job! Great! F is for flower. Let's have some fun. Jump, jump, jump! Jump, jump, jump!
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
G, ga, ga, ga. Well done! G is for grapes. H. Good job! Amazing! H is for helicopter. Fantastic! Great! I is for ice cream. Well done! Fantastic! Great! K is for kangaroo. L. Good job! L is for lion. Peekaboo! 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 Well done! Fantastic! Woohoo! M is for mouse. N. Good job! Amazing! Woohoo! N is for nest. Woohoo! O is for orange. Well done! Woohoo! P is for parrot. Good job! Woohoo! Q is for quail. R. Well done! Amazing! Woohoo! R is for rocket. S. Woohoo! S is for sun. T. Good job! T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. I'm hidden in the box. Can you find me? Well done! Amazing! Woohoo! V is for violin. Good job! Perfect! Amazing! Woohoo! W is for whistle. X. Well done! Woohoo! X is for X-ray. Let's have some fun. Release this balloon on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job! Great! Woohoo! Y is for yak. Z. Well done! Amazing!